Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay. So this asset actually got to the support zone at this point, and of course it gave us an uptrend signal right from here, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so it got to the resistance zone at the early hour of today. So right from there it started a downtrend, so it gave us a downtrend signal, and right now a sell signal, so it has been selling. I actually posted this signal in the Telegram channel. It got to the first TP, and of course heading towards the second TP, and of course the third TP and the fourth TP. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, so we should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is GainX 999, and of course this was an uptrend before but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it has been playing around there for a while. And of course guys, we expect it to sell right from there. That is if it does not break out above this resistance. If it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, then definitely it's going to sell more. I posted this also in the Telegram channel, but it has been playing around for a while. I think the movement is a bit slow, so we still expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, because it has got into the resistance zone, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it's going to buy more. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 got to this support zone and gave us an uptrend signal right from here, and you can see these two buy signals were activated in the Telegram channel. So I gave this signal also in the Telegram channel, and as we can see, it has gotten to the first TP. It has also gotten to the second TP. Now it is heading towards the third TP. It's about getting there. Okay, so we are really happy to see this. Okay, so this is a good one for us within the Telegram channel. So this is going to be a more of a buying opportunity because it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so now let's move on to Paynex 999. Okay, so this is Paynex 999, and of course this got to this support and was unable to break out from there. Started an uptrend, got to this region, was unable to go further, so it had a pullback. And of course, if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend to continue with the uptrend signal and keep on buying. We just need to break out above this for it to buy more. Okay, I also posted this in the Telegram channel and got to the first TP before pulling back. Okay, so we expect it to go back again to try it out. Once it breaks out from there, then it's going to get to the second and the third TP. But if it does not, and if it breaks out below this support zone, that means it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So we expect buying opportunity from here, but in case it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, but got to this resistance zone at this point, had a pullback, went back there again, still was unable to break out from there. So I'm expecting a sell from this resistance zone because this is going to give us the big M picture. Okay, but we are expecting the sell to happen. So I've been waiting for this since morning to give me the right signal before I put it on the Telegram channel, but it has not given it to me. Okay, so we are still expecting it to sell right from here, but if it breaks out above this resistance zone, let me put it there. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so we expect more selling from there, but if it breaks out above it, it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. But if it does not, then it's going to go as predicted, which means it's going to sell more right from there. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.